Hey there, it's always great to learn new ways to grow plants at home. And today I'm going to share some simple tips on growing bell peppers in plastic bottles. This is an excellent way to upcycle and create a mini garden in your windowsill. So, let's get started. 1. Choose the right plastic bottle. You can use any plastic bottle, but make sure it has a cap that is large enough to cover the seeds when you're growing the peppers. The bottle should be at least 6 inches tall and have a drainage hole at the bottom. 2. Prepare the soil. Fill a pot or container with potting mix. And then plant the bell pepper seeds about a 1/4 inch deep. This will ensure that the seeds have enough space to grow and won't compete with the peppers for nutrients. 3. Water and fertilizer. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not too wet. You can use a spray bottle to ensure that the soil remains moist around the seeds. Once the seeds have sprouted, you can begin watering them every 2-3 days. And applying a balanced fertilizer every 3-4 weeks. 4. Provide light. Most bell peppers need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. So make sure the plastic bottle is placed in a spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight. If you don't have enough natural light, you can use a grow light to supplement. 5. Harvest time. When the bell peppers have reached about 2 inches in length, you can start harvesting them. This will allow you to enjoy fresh peppers all season long. And that's it. With these simple tips, you can easily grow bell peppers in plastic bottles and create your very own mini garden in your kitchen or office. Happy gardening!